Welcome to another fun adventure. Today we're talking about things you can ride. Stick around to learn some fun facts and discover exciting surprises. Let's go! Here's your first clue. This has 2 wheels, handlebars, and pedals. You can ride it around the park. What is it? First up, bicycles. Did you know bicycles have been around for over 200 years? They're not just fun to ride, but they also help you stay strong and healthy. Can you ride a bike? What color is yours? Let's go to the next one. Okay, here's the next one. This has wings, flies high in the sky, and takes you to faraway places. What do you think it is? Next, and let's soar through the sky on an airplane. Airplanes can fly as high as 40,000 feet. That's way above the clouds. Have you ever been on a plane? Where did you go? Great! Ready for the next one? One more. This one has 4 legs, a tail, and says neigh. You can ride it like a cowboy. What could it be? Yee-ha! It's a horse! You're good at this! Did you know? Horses are not just fun to ride, but they've also been helping people for thousands of years. Did you know horses can run up to 55 miles per hour? They're like nature's race cars. Next ride. This has wheels, runs on tracks, and says choo-choo. What is it? It's a train! Great job! Choo-choo! Did you know the fastest train in the world is called a bullet train, and it can go up to 270 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. Here's the next one. This floats on water, sometimes has sails, and pirates love it. What could it be? That's right, it's a ship. Ahoy, Captain! Did you know? The biggest cruise ship in the world is called the Royal Caribbean Icon of the Seas. It is 1,196 feet long. That's as long as 4 football fields. This one has 4 wheels, goes vroom vroom, and takes you places on the road. What do you think it is? It's a car. Beep, beep. Awesome guessing. Did you know there are over 1 billion cars in the world today? That's a lot of beep beeps.
Goodbye!
Wow, friends. We learned about bicycles, airplanes, ship, train, car, and horses today. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games and awesome facts. See you next time.